Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up your Roblox user folder and any current shader files so you can revert if needed. Next, obtain the exact old shader pack archive you want. These contain shaders, profiles, and replacement DLLs. Once done, install or confirm reshade is present because it injects shaders into Roblox. Make sure Roblox is closed before touching files. You're doing this to restore visuals and compatibility from a prior version, not to overwrite unrelated mods or corrupt settings. You'll now extract the shader archive and preserve its folder layout so Reshade can find the effects. Then, navigate to your Roblox installation path and carefully replace the shader DLLs, FX effect files, and any preset profiles with the older versions. Once done, place the provided Reshade preset into the Reshade folder or the Roblox profile directory so settings load automatically. Make sure file names match the originals and avoid adding extra files. This ensures the injector. You finish by launching Roblox while Reshade is enabled and confirming the overlay appears and the preset loads. This proves the old shader pipeline is active. If the game crashes or visuals are broken, immediately close Roblox and restore your backup. Then verify that you replace the correct DLL file names and use the matching shader version. If performance is poor, tweak in-game graphics and reshade quality settings. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched DLL versions are the most common cause. Revert and try the exact pair again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.